India today has reached ground zero in the far-flung area of Chhatru in Kishtwar district of Jammu and Kashmir. Behind me, you can see the terror hideout that was pounded and destroyed by the security forces on Sunday. On Sunday morning, the security forces launched a massive counter-terror operation in this entire area. The security forces had a specific input that there was presence of terrorists in this particular area, and acting on this specific input, a joint counter-terror operation was launched by the Indian Army, Jammu and Kashmir Police and the CRPF. The security forces have got a massive success. 3 dreaded Jaish-e-Mohammed terrorists have been neutralized, and among these 3 Jaish-e-Mohammed terrorists was the dreaded Jaish terror commander Saifullah. He has also been successfully eliminated by the security forces. I will just show you the pictures of this terror hideout. This is a terror hideout that was built by the terrorists on this hilltop in Chhatru area of Kishtwar district. You can see that this terror hideout has been now dismantled. Yesterday it was in flames, and that is why you can see everything is scattered here. The belongings of the terrorists are scattered here. I will just ask my camera person to show you the pictures. There you see the burnt pieces of blanket of the terrorists. There are utensils and vessels also. So you can understand that these terrorists were hiding in this terror hideout for a long time. Saifullah and the other terrorists of his group were active in this particular region for last more than 2 years. They carried out multiple attacks on the security forces as well as on civilians in this particular area. This was a group of 7 terrorists who had managed to infiltrate in the year 2024, and since then these terrorists were active in this particular region of Jammu and Kashmir. 3 terrorists of this group were neutralized last year in the month of April. 1 terrorist was neutralized on 4th of February earlier this month, and the remaining 3 terrorists, including the dreaded Jaish terror commander Saifullah, were neutralized on Sunday at this very particular spot. My camera person is showing you the pictures. I will just ask him to show you the pictures of this terror hideout. This was the area where the Jaish-e-Mohammed terrorists were hiding. So out of those 7 terrorists, 3 were at large, and those 3 terrorists have now been neutralized by the security forces. As per the Army and Jammu and Kashmir Police, it was member of the K9 unit, Tyson, the army dog. He first initiated this counter-terror operation in this particular area. He barged into this terror hideout and the terrorists started firing. And at that moment, the security forces realized that all the 3 terrorists were hiding here. So it was Tyson who initiated this counter-terror operation. And because of the input that was shared by Tyson, because it was he who first entered this terror hideout, and because of that, the security forces realized that terrorists were hiding here. Then the final assault was carried out. And yesterday we saw that this terror hideout was up in flames. There was a massive gunfight, fierce gunfight that broke out here. Ultimately, the security forces achieved major success and all 3 terrorists were neutralized. I will just ask my camera person to show you the pictures. There you see the footwear of the terrorists. Is the footwear of terrorists. There is another shoe here, lying over here. Blankets. We'll just ask my camera person to show you the pictures. See the blankets, burnt pieces of blanket, bucket, utensils. So these terrorists were hiding for a long time here. See the clothes of these terrorists. A massive encounter broke out on Sunday morning at this particular spot. The security forces had surrounded this hideout from all 4 directions, and all the entry and exit points were plugged so that these terrorists didn't manage to escape. Because in the past also, whenever the security forces have managed to establish contact with these terrorists, These terrorists managed to dodge the security forces, they managed to escape, but this time the security forces, in a very well coordinated operation, they surrounded this particular hideout of terrorists from all four directions, and ultimately the final assault was carried out and all three terrorists were neutralized. You can see the terrain here. This entire stretch is surrounded by mountains, dense forests. So the terrain is a challenge when it comes to counter-terror operations in areas like these. You can see the burnt roof of this terror hideout. We can still see smoke coming out of it. I will just ask my camera person to show you the picture. See, smoke is still coming out of the roof of this terror hideout. Look at the tin. Look at the bullet marks. So you can just imagine the kind of encounter that broke out here yesterday. Look at the terrain. It became very difficult for us also to reach here because there is no road connectivity. This hideout was situated on a hilltop. There you see a stream of water flowing, and there are few residential complexes, residential houses here. On that side also we can see that there are few families living. So the terrorists had managed to escape many a times during the encounters. They had built this hideout, and as per the security agencies, there were a handful of local overground workers of these terrorists who continuously provided them logistic support, food, clothing, and other essential items. And that is why these terrorists managed to sustain for a very long time in these dense forest areas of Kishtwar district. Look at the belongings of terrorists lying over here, blankets. So how did they manage to get these blankets? It's obvious that the local overground workers of these terrorists provided them all these items to sustain in this forest area. I will ask my camera person to accompany so that I can show you some more visuals of this particular region. It's a difficult terrain here. It becomes very difficult to walk through this entire stretch. You see, the packets of chocolates are lying here. Broken tin and dates. See how these terrorists used to sustain here for a long time. My camera person, I will just ask him to walk very carefully because this stretch is very slippery. This terror hideout is located on a hilltop. There are some belongings of terrorists which are lying over here. See the rotis, the packets of chocolates, and there you see dates. Dates in this polythene bag, and apart from that, broken tin, pieces of blanket. So you can see the belongings of terrorists lying all over here. Utensils also. See the vessels, the utensils. As per the security agencies, there were a handful of local overground workers of these terrorists who provided them these items, and that is why these terrorists were able to sustain for a long time. I will just ask my camera person to show you a more broad picture of this entire set. Look at this. This is a terror hideout that was destroyed by the security forces on Sunday morning. This entire stretch is surrounded by dense forests, mountains. The terrain is very difficult. So we are reporting exactly from ground zero in Jammu and Kashmir's Kishtwar district. This is that exact spot where a fierce encounter broke out on Sunday morning. The security forces managed to eliminate all three hiding terrorists. It was a massive success for the security forces. Now, J&K police is saying that their next focus is on the terror supporters, the people who provided logistics support to these terrorists. Now strict action is going to be taken against them. Investigation has been launched, and all those people who may have provided logistics support to these terrorists, they will be identified and they will be given exemplary punishment as per the law. With video journalist Neeraj Kumar, This is Sunil Bhatt reporting from Ground Zero in Kishtwar district of Jammu and Kashmir for India Today.